およそ700メートル先、左方向です。その先、左方向です。およそ300メートル先、左方向です。その先、左方向です。まもなく左方向です。その先、左方向です。左方向です。敵地に到着しました。案内を終了します。
Infinite lines that sway in the glow, tracing the place that only we know. A soft velvet hum in the air that we share, lifting the weight that we shouldn't have there. Lifting the weight that we shouldn't have there. Oh, reach for the pulse, let it bloom and unfold, writing the secrets in silver and gold, a rhythm that circles, a tether that binds to the quietest peace that the crammed is pieced in. A traveler flies.
およそ100メートル先、右方向です。
Glass held cool against the palm, watching how the miles unfold. The morning air is thick and calm, turning copper, turning gold, turning copper, turning gold. We didn't leave a map behind, just the rhythm in the wheels. A different state of living kind, in the way the transit feels. Now we're moving steady lines, chasing light between the frames. Leave the worry, lose the signs, forget the dates, forget the names. Just a heartbeat synced in time to heartbeat synced in time. Running with the quiet sound. Everything is ours to climb on this shifting solid ground. Static blur upon the pane, where the green begins to fade. There's a pattern in the rain, in the choices that we made. I lean in to hear the hum of the distance left to go. Whatever's waiting, let it come. We're just breathing soft and slow. Now we're moving steady lines, chasing light between the frames. Leave the worry, lose the signs, forget the dates, forget the names. Just a We trade the map for the silence in the air, leaving the clock on the table by the stair. No destination, just the dust upon the glass, watching the ghost of the highway slowly pass. Your hand is resting on the secrets we have kept, while half the sleeping world is waiting to be swept. The road doesn't end, it just turns into a mirror. The further we go, the image gets clearer, caught in the pull of rhythm we can't name. Burning so bright, yet we don't feel the flame. It's a long way home, but we're already there, in the breathless spin of a midnight prayer. The signs are written in a language we forgot, but every turn is a knot that we have tied. We chase the shadows of the mountains in the west, where the heavy hearts find a hollow place to rest. You don't have to speak to tell me where we're bound. I hear the melody inside this steady ground. What if the morning never brings us back to earth? What if this motion is all that we are worth? Just a compass turning in the palm of your hand, searching for a line in a shifting silver land. The road doesn't end, it just turns into a mirror. The further we go, the image gets clearer, caught in the pull of rhythm we can't name. Burning so bright, yet we don't feel the flame. It's a long way home, but we're already there, in the breathless spin of a midnight prayer. just turns into you.